What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on AMP, looking at where it's heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump anytime soon? Looking at its next target. Also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. A lot of you guys have been asking me what is next for AMP. Should I invest right now? Should I sell it? Should I wait? So on and so on. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can AMP go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023 for both the short and the long term as well? And also looking at, is there a potential pump coming anytime soon for AMP, guys? But before I get into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over 2.5% in the last 24 hours, which also includes Bitcoin, which has pumped up to $27,000 right now. So hopefully we can maintain that and hit about $30,000 towards the end of the week. But again, that's for a different video. Today's focus is on AMP, which is gained 2% in the last 24 hours. Over the week, 3% down, with major drops here earlier on last week, and over the month here's an overall 23% down, guys. As you can see, slow and steady drops in value quite consistently over the last 4 weeks, which is not looking too great. And again, the way it's been dropping is literally consistent drops every single, more or less every single day. And hopefully, guys, it doesn't continue like that, because if it does, most people will be on a major loss depending on when they've invested into the crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone down to $4 million right now. Again, only reason why it keeps going down is because the value keeps dropping, so not many people are trading the crypto. Most people in fact are just holding on to it. They're not buying, they're not selling, they're holding on to what they've got, or they're not investing into it because they're waiting for it to drop further, for it to go to its lowest point, which is not definitely this value here. It does have more to drop over the coming weeks and so on. So let's get straight into it and see where it's heading to next. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.003230 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in red at 0.003 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer for all of you guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, no surprise, we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So even though it has gone for an overall increase in value in the last 24 hours, is very likely for it to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. So the next 12 to 14 hours, an overall drop in value is what is expected from AMP. And again, just because a drop in value is expected, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, potentially down to where it was trading before, to about 0.0029 cents in value. But again, don't expect it to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to hit green candles in between. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got quite of an interesting one here. We've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line, however, is going the opposite direction, is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days, guys. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect AMP to be more or less trading around its current price range at around 0.0203 cents, so somewhere around here. But again, guys, Do expect it to peak and dip over the next couple of days, up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, so more or less just about heading towards where it is at the moment, with very minimal dips and peaks in between. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, we do have the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So again, a fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, guys, I am expecting it to take a U-turn and go head towards the positive direction over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early to mid July 2023. We should be seeing AMP trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. What I'm expecting is for it to head upwards to the 1 cent target by mid to late July 2023. So approximately over the next 2 months, we should be seeing a major increase in value on AMP. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs in general as well, with Bitcoin playing a major part in this prediction. If it does drop down to 20k, we are of course going to see major drops in the crypto market. However, if it manages to pump up to 35, 40, 45k, whatever it is, then we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, including AMP as well, and that is what I'm expecting, a major increase in value, and we should be seeing Bitcoin trading above $35,000 by mid to late July 2023 is what my predictions are as well. But again, it's cryptocurrency. There's a lot of things that go on, a lot of things that have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there, either in a positive or negative direction. But either way, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. Again, a potential pump may be coming over the next week or so, but again, guys, once the pump does take place, it's likely to drop back down in value. So that is only for the short-term traders out there, and even then it's going to be a very risky one, so I wouldn't recommend going for that short pump and so on. Again, more news will be following over the next couple of days on AMP. If you guys want regular updates on AMP, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.